Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is 6th July 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So on July 6, 1885, French scientist Louis Pasteur tested an anti-rabies vaccine on 9 years old Joseph Mister who had been bitten by an infected dog. The boy did not develop rabies through this vaccine. Let me tell you about rabies, that it is a deadly virus spread to people from saliva of infected animals. It is usually transmitted through animal bite, for example from stray dogs. Now let's see the current affair question. So the first question is, which challenge was given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Indians? PM नरेंद्र मोदी ने भारतीयों को कौन सी चुनौती दी है? And the answer is Digital India, Atmanirbhar Bharat Innovate Challenge for making the Indian people self-reliance on their own without depending on the other countries. This is given as a challenge. Now second question is, what is India's railway network position in the world? विश्व में भारत रेलवे नेटवर्क की स्थिति क्या है, यानी कि किस पोजीशन पर इंडियन रेलवे नेटवर्क है. सो द आंसर इज द fourth position. India is in the fourth position. First on US and second on China and on third Russia stand their position, and India is the fourth country. Now third question is, what do you understand by Global Outlook Alert and Response Network? ग्लोबल आउटलुक अलर्ट एंड रिस्पॉन्स नेटवर्क से आप क्या समझते हैं? दैट व्हाट फील्ड डज इट बिलोंग टू? सो द आंसर इज इट इज़ एन इनिशिएटिव ऑफ World Health Organization to make scientific predictions based on the certain models. Now moving toward the fourth question. So convention number 185 of International Labour Organization ILO deals with अंतर्राष्ट्रीय श्रम संगठन ILO के सम्मेलन 185 से संबंधित है. And the answer is Seafarer Identity Document. And recently on June 25, International Day of Seafarer was celebrated. And the theme of this year 2020 is Seafarers are key workers, essential to shipping, essential to the world. Now let's see the last question. So who releases World Investment Report? विश्व निवेशक रिपोर्ट कौन जारी करता है? And the answer is United Nations UN Conference on Trade and Development. This is an organization of United Nations and it was established in 1964. Now let's see the answers of yesterday question which I have asked. So the first question was, mission reach out mostly seen in news is made for which state? So the answer is for the Jammu Kashmir. It is to ensure basic necessities and essential services after the abolition of Article 370 from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And the second question was, who received 2020 Diana Award? So Freya Thakral, a 13-year-old student of the British School New Delhi, received this award for her humanitarian work toward the rat pickers in the New Delhi. Now I am giving you questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section if you know. So the questions are like this. Which e-portal has been launched by the Delhi government for students? And second question is, who releases Global Environment Outlook Report? Do tell in the comment section. Till then, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.